Welcome to Pumas in the Cloud. This is the home page that you'll be landing once you log in into your Pumas in the Cloud deployment. So as you can see, we have applications to our right and jobs to our left. So let's take a look at our applications. We're going to click on the More here. Here we can see all of the apps that we have available to launch in our JuliaHub deployment. And here you can see we have the Pumas app. This is the most common app that we are going to use in this course. So to launch an app, you have a big button here called Launch, and you pretty much just click on this and it will launch a new app. And once it's ready, the connect button is going to turn green and you'll be able to connect to your newly launched app. If you click on the drop-down menu, you can also launch more instances of this app. And so let's launch our second one. And also you can, so right now I have 2 instances that I'm spinning up of the Pumas app. And of course, I can also launch a custom instance. So here, as you can see, we have the specs. And I'm launching now 32 virtual CPU app with 128 gigs of RAM, which is a very beefy machine, very powerful machine. So you can choose to customize this if you click on this button here to edit those configurations. You can not only customize the specs, so let's use an 8 virtual CPU, 64 gigs of RAM machine. Also, I can choose the timeout. So right now it's 5 hours. I can reduce that to 4 hours. So once I click on Update and I go back to the home page and I click on the More Applications and I choose to launch a custom instance now, the instance that I'll be launching is an 8 virtual CPU and 64 gigs of RAM machine. I can go ahead and start a third instance. And now I have 3 instances of the Pumas app being launched, and the first one is already ready for me to connect. So if I click on this connect button, I can connect it. Of course, I can stop any of those instances here. And all 3 are ready to connect right now. So let's go back to our home button and let's take a look at your jobs on the left-hand side. So here, you can see all of our runs that we not only previous run, but also we are running. So anything that has this ping button means that we are currently running, and we can toggle those and take a look at the node specs. So this is our 32 core machine. This is our 32, and also we have our 32 core machine here as well. So all of those, I can click on the extend button. I can extend how many hours I want to extend this time remaining. Once the time has reached 0, the instance will be automatically shut down. Stop it. This is for you not to have instance of apps running indefinitely. All of our Pumas and JuliaHub apps, they have an automatic shutdown. This is quite easy to extend, and of course, we will provide you with several warnings that you are running out of time. And here I can also stop my instance. So that's pretty much it on how to launch instance, how to manage your running instance. It's quite an intuitive interface.